So we've chosen all of our components, we've got them all unboxed and they're sitting in front of us. Where the heck do we start? First of all, I'd recommend have a quick look at our motherboard. If we've got a separate I/O shield, what I'd highly recommend is install that into the back of the case immediately. If you're a frequenter of Reddit like I am, you see a lot of the Build a PC subreddits or PC Master Race subreddits. It's a common issue that people incur, and it's a very annoying error to fix up later on down the line. So knocking it out of the way straight away eliminates one of our rookie mistakes. We've got our I/O shield installed in our motherboard, but don't get too far ahead of yourself. What I'd highly recommend is grab your motherboard, put it on the motherboard box, and use that as our nice little anti-static workbench. From there, it's a lot easier for us to install components like our processor, our memory, and our solid state drive into that motherboard while it's outside of the case. Saves a lot of cut up fingers and a lot of swearing.